Okay, boys and girls, let's get ready for Math Boxes 1-7, and you can find that on page 14 in your journal. All right, for number 1, you are to write the numbers that are 10 less and 10 more than each one of these. So we're going to go 10 less than 49, so that would be 1 less in the 10, so that'd be 39, and it'd be 1 more in the 10's place value, which would be 59. Okay. On 356, remember we're just looking at the 10 more, 10 less, so that would be in the 10's place value, so the hundreds would not change. We're going to go 1 less, so that would be 4, and the ones do not change. 10 more, the hundreds doesn't change. We're going to go up 1 in the 10's, and the ones do not change. With 490, a little bit tricky. Okay, you're going to go back 10. Okay, which would take us to 399, and here we're just going to go up 10, so here we can go back to the hundreds stay the same, you're going to add a 10, and the ones stay the same. 798, you're going to go back, or the 100s stay the same, go back 110, and the ones stay the same. For adding 10, you're going to add 10 to your 100, so just count up on 10 and would give you 808. All right, use your calculator, or you don't have to. You can do just find the difference between the two numbers. So if I'm at 29 and I want to go to 49, we know we're increasing, which means we're going to add, okay? So we had to plus 20, okay? Now we have 84 and 44. This time we're going backwards, so we're going to subtract, and we had to subtract 40. 188, we're going to 208, so we're going to add 20. 403, we're going to 603, so we're going higher, so we're going to add 200. Okay? Great, on to the next one. Number 3, remember to put your unit. Let's go with flowers. Our unit always tells us what it is that we're talking about. So 16 is equal to or the same as what plus 8? We got 8. 6 plus 7 is equal to or the same as 13. What number do we add to 9 to get to 15? Okay, you could use your number grid or you can count up, which was 6. And then 4 plus what number is going to give us 12? Once again, use that number line in the front of the book or the number grid, or just count up. What time does the clock show? Okay, our hour hand is between the 11 and the 12, so the hour has to be 11, and the minute hand is on the 8, so if we need to, we can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, so it would be 1140. Okay, and then our last problem says, what time will it be 3 hours from the time in problem 4? Okay, so if we go back and look at problem 4, we know that it is 11:40, and we want to add 3 hours to that. And since we're not adding any minutes, we can just add 11, 12, 1, 2. So that would give us 240. Okay, and then it just says to explain your problem. And if I were going to explain it, I would say that I moved the hour hand 3 hours ahead, and the minute hand stays the same. Okay? All right, boys and girls, this concludes Math Boxes lesson 1.7.